Naomi Home presents the Susie Wood Cabana Low Loft Bed Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. We advise to not build alone. This assembly requires a minimum of 2 people to complete. To commence, gather all the pieces number 7 to 12, as well as piece number 22, and insert 2 wood dowel pins on each one. Set those pieces aside, gather and connect pieces number 1 to 4. Use the Allen wrench, 2 L screws and 2 I screws to connect the 4 pieces together. Now, gather the second set of piece number 3 and 4. Connect them to piece number 5 and 6. Use the Allen wrench, 2 L screws, and 2 I screws to connect the 4 pieces together. After this step, your build should look as shown. Hold both sides of the bed frame and connect pieces number 7 to 10, just as shown in the assembly instruction. Use the Allen wrench, 8 G screws, and 6 L screws to connect all 5 pieces to both sides of the bed. Position the bed frame like so. Face the right side and align piece number 14 to piece number 3. Then attach it in place using 11 F screws and 3 C screws. Next, get 2 piece number 26 and use 12 M screws to connect those pieces onto piece number 14. Now facing the front of the bed, on the left side, align piece number 15 to piece number 3. Then attach it in place using 9 F screws. Next, get 2 piece number 26 and use 12 M screws to connect those pieces onto piece number 15. Step piece number 13. Drill or screw in piece number 13 in between your 2 piece number 9 and your piece number 8 using 3 C screws. Place piece number 11 and 12 on the top holes of piece number 10. Dip pieces number 16 and 17 and insert 2 wood dowel pins onto the bottom of each one. Attach piece number 16 and 17 onto piece number 7. And use 4 F screws to secure them in place. Get 2 plate pieces and place them between your pieces number 10, 11, and 12. Secure them in place using 2 bis screws on each. Carefully place piece number 18 on top of pieces number 11 and 16. Now place piece number 19 on top of piece number 12 and 17. And use 3H bolt to connect piece 18 to piece 19. Dip 4 F screws and screw in 1 onto each corner piece. Obtain 8 F screws. Use 4 to connect piece 18 onto piece 16 and use the other 4 to connect piece 19 onto piece 17. Get 2 plate pieces and place them on top and in between your pieces number 10, 11, and 12. Secure them in place using 2 bis screws on each. Bring back both of your pieces number 22. Dip pieces number 20 and 21, the Allen wrench, and 4 I screws. Place 2 I screw on each side of pieces number 20 and 21 to connect them onto pieces number 22. Place the step ladder as shown in the assembly instruction. Dip 4 I screws and from the inside place 2 I screws onto each side. Use the Allen wrench to secure it in place. Dip 3 more C screws and use them to attach piece number 23 on top of piece number 15. Get the slats and place them on the inside. Stretch the webbing, make sure it's facing down, and use 6C screws to attach the slats. Finally, get both piece number 25. Place them on the back of the bed frame just as shown. Get 20xB screws and use 10xB screws on each to connect pieces number 25 in place. And there you have it, your Susie wood Cabana low loft bed is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching! Like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.